In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to crouch in Sea of Thieves Xbox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Crouching is a recently introduced mechanic in Sea of Thieves. You will be able to easily crouch by default on Xbox using your controller. You can do the exact same thing on PC or even PlayStation as well, so keep that in mind. So, for Xbox controllers specifically, all that you have to do is press down on the right analog stick. So when you press down on the right analog stick, you will hear a click and your character is going to crouch in-game. So all that you have to do is use the right analog stick, known as R3. This is going to be the default keybind. So when you open Sea of Thieves after the recent update that I mentioned, R3 is going to be used to crouch. Of course, you can customize this if you wish, so you can change this bind to any other button available on your controller, and as long as you have it bound properly, you will be able to press that specific button to crouch. Now, sadly, a lot of people got annoyed by this update because they already had R3 bound to something else. If that's the case for you as well, then sadly you will have to go over to these settings, and like I mentioned, you will have to change this keybind. Crouch is assigned to R3 by default, so you will have to change this to another button available, such as the D-pad, the buttons here, or the triggers and bumpers at the back in order to change this. And as long as you either use R3, which is the right analog stick, or you bind it to something else, you will be able to crouch in Sea of Thieves on Xbox or any other platform. This update was around 3 months ago, and there was actually a period where crouch was disabled because of a certain glitch, but now it should be back to working, so all that you have to do is press down on R3 in order to crouch. And I hope I was able to help you on how to crouch in Sea of Thieves Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.